And what's up, freaks? Hopefully you guys are still working on your projects out in the cold. And I want to talk to you about something. Attention spans. They're like mosquitoes. They suck. So, let me know what you're looking for in a video. This one has kind of a lot of time lapse. Do you guys just like watching the motions? Do you guys like somebody who talks you through? Either way, I hope you stick around. Comment below what you're working on. Let me know what you want to see. You ready to go? Let's go!
To some losses through the process had me furious, but I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you reckon with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up.
Real quick before we put the car on the ground. This is the side that hit the wall first, and it's the same wheel bearing. So we're just gonna pop this off and swap that out right quick. No biggie. I just gotta switch the studs out of the other wheel bearing I got from Christian. Gang gang. Great car gang. Sorry, Scott. 2G for life. So, while I do have a spare wheel bearing thanks to Christian, I ran into this problem before, and I don't know if it's just the way these wheel woods work or what, because he obviously had these on the car. He took it right off his car. But any of these hubs that have this lip on the inside, it seems to interfere with the way that that rotor sits on there, and it don't let it sit all the way back. See? So, about to grind this sucker down. I was trying to Dremel this. I just put the studs in. Not that that's a deal ender, but I was trying to, I guess, do that route. I don't have any daggum Dremel bits that make sense and that we're actually taking off enough meat to justify. So, anyway. Grinder guy.
fix, I got wild in my veins. You can hear it in my growl, growl, growl. So keep photos in your frame. I'm a coffee in the morning, butterfly at night. You can hear it in my growl, growl, growl. So keep me in your sight. Hey, I'm a work of art. Gonna sing it from the rooftops. Hey, I'm a light the spark. Gonna set this world on fire. Hey, I'm a work of art. Gonna sing it from the rooftops. Hey, I'm a light the spark. Gonna set this world on fire. Hey, I'm a work of art. Gonna sing it from the rooftops. Hey, I'm a light the spark. Gonna set this world on fire. Hey, I'm a masterpiece. Gonna show you all my colors. Hey, I'm a work of art. Gonna sing it from the rooftops. Hey, I'm a light the spark. Gonna set this world on fire. Hey, I'm a masterpiece. Gonna show you all my colors. Hey, I'ma break the mold. Gonna make you all believers. Oh yeah. Cause the rest, oh yeah. Gonna show you all my colors. Hey, I'ma break the mold. Gonna make you all believers. Oh yeah. I'm a diamond in the rough, a masterpiece unseen. Color splashing on the canvas, a vision yet to be.
So we were able to hook up the fuel rail on this side. This has an 8 AN return, which is way bigger than our old setup. This one has a 10. We did not have that fitting. And also, this is upgraded to an 8 AN, and we had 6 AN in our old setup. So we're gonna have to get those fittings coming, and hopefully we have them for the next video. And we're gonna also have to make a new hose. We got lots and lots and lots of stuff to do, but that's stuff that we touched on in this video, and there's some of the things we're gonna have to fix moving forward. So we got lots of fittings to figure out. We got lots of intercooler pipe, couplers, all kinds of stuff. We're gonna have to make brackets for our catch cans, oh my God, the list is endless. But as far as videos go, let me know what you guys are looking for. Is the time lapse, cool? Is it too much, not enough? Do you like it when somebody talks you through what they're doing? I typically try to avoid how-tos and stuff like that because there's a million different ways to skin a cat and everybody's got to chime in with their ways better, blah, blah, blah. I typically don't like dealing with the drama. But if that's what you guys like, I'll give it to you. You just got to tell me. And of course, man, I seriously hope you guys aren't letting this cold stop you from working on your projects. Find something to do. There's always something. Bring some of the stuff inside. Clean it up there. At least that's what I do, and I get in trouble by my wife. I don't know. If it's worth it to you, do it. The car's never going to get done if you're not working on it, though. Anyway, I hope you guys are going to be just like Gumpy is with his ball. Get out there. Get outside your comfort zone. Big dreams of star cures, y'all.